Hi guys, welcome to Only Match Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to continue the key points of chapter pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 continuation. Let's start. See students, chapter pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10. In the previous video we covered up to solutions of pair of linear equations, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 1 to 5 points. Now today we are going to discuss sixth point. Sixth point, graphical method of finding solution of pair of linear equations. Because it is somewhat lengthy, so that's why I am going to explain only this point in this video. Okay, let's start. Student, graphical method of finding solution of a pair of linear equations. See, as we know that if we are talking about two lines or pair of linear equations, how many possibilities are there? How many possibilities are there? It may be either intersecting lines, it may be either parallel lines, or it may be either coincident, one upon the other. So other than these three, it doesn't happen any other model. Okay. So in the nature, it can be possible either intersecting or parallel or coincident, one upon the other. Other than this, there is no other chance to get the output. Okay, now here when two lines are drawn in the same plane, only one of the following the below three situations is possible. Okay, now the two lines may intersect at one point. This is the one possible.